Affiliate marketing has become a popular way for individuals to earn passive income by promoting products or services. However, many newcomers make common mistakes that can hinder their progress and prevent them from reaching their full potential. We want to help you avoid these pitfalls, so let's jump right in. Number 1. Choosing the wrong niche. Building your affiliate marketing business around a niche you're passionate about has several advantages. Firstly, your enthusiasm for the topic will shine through in your content, making it more engaging and authentic. Secondly, your knowledge and genuine interest will help you create valuable and insightful content that resonates with your audience. Additionally, being passionate about your niche will drive you to continually educate yourself and stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. This knowledge will allow you to provide expert advice and recommendations to your audience, building trust and credibility. Ultimately, choosing the right niche is the foundation of your affiliate marketing success, so don't rush this crucial step. Take the time to explore different niches, assess their potential, and select one that aligns with your interests and offers ample opportunities for growth. Number 2. Not building an engaged audience. By prioritizing audience engagement, you can cultivate a loyal following that actively seeks out your recommendations. Start by understanding your audience's needs and preferences. Conduct market research, analyze demographics, and gather feedback to gain insights into their interests and pain points. This information will guide your content creation process, enabling you to provide value and address their specific concerns. Encourage interaction by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and initiating discussions. Social media platforms can serve as powerful tools for engagement, so leverage them to connect with your audience on a more personal level. Building an engaged audience takes time and effort, but the rewards are significant. A dedicated community of followers will not only support your promotions but also amplify your reach through word-of-mouth recommendations. Number 3. Promoting too many products. When you promote too many products, you risk overwhelming your audience and coming across as inauthentic. By focusing on a select few high-quality products, you can build trust and credibility with your audience. Take the time to research and thoroughly test the products you promote to ensure they meet your standards and genuinely solve your audience's problems. By promoting fewer products, you can devote more attention to each, creating detailed and informative content that highlights their benefits and addresses any potential concerns. This targeted approach allows you to position yourself as an expert in your niche and establish yourself as a reliable source of recommendations. Remember, quality over quantity is key when it comes to promoting products as an affiliate marketer. Number 4. Neglecting to track and analyze performance. Tracking and analyzing your performance is vital for the growth and success of your affiliate marketing endeavors. Without this essential step, you're essentially operating in the dark, unaware of what is truly driving your results. By utilizing analytics tools and tracking key metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and sales, you gain valuable insights into the effectiveness of your campaigns. This data allows you to identify what strategies are working well and what areas need improvement. With this knowledge, you can optimize your marketing efforts, refine your content, and target your audience more effectively. Regularly monitoring and analyzing your performance empowers you to make data-driven decisions, increasing the efficiency and profitability of your affiliate marketing activities. Remember, tracking and analysis are not optional but essential elements of a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Number 5. Not disclosing affiliate relationships. When it comes to affiliate marketing, honesty and transparency are non-negotiable. Not disclosing your affiliate relationships is a common mistake that can have severe consequences for your reputation and trustworthiness. Always be transparent and disclose your affiliate partnerships to your audience. Clearly state that you may earn a commission when they make a purchase through your affiliate links. This openness demonstrates integrity and authenticity, showing your audience that you prioritize their best interests over earning a quick buck. By being upfront about your affiliate relationships, You build credibility and establish a stronger bond with your audience. They appreciate your honesty and are more likely to trust your recommendations, knowing that you have their best interests at heart. Remember, trust is the foundation of successful affiliate marketing, so never compromise it by neglecting to disclose your affiliate relationships. Number 6. Giving up too soon. In the world of affiliate marketing, patience and persistence are key. Many beginners make the mistake of expecting immediate results and give up when they don't see instant success. It's important to understand that building a successful affiliate marketing business takes time. Stay consistent with your content creation efforts and consistently engage with your audience. Rome wasn't built in a day, and the same goes for your affiliate marketing venture. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities and use them to refine your strategies. Stay committed to your goals and continually adapt to the ever-changing landscape of affiliate marketing. Remember, success in this field is achievable, but it requires dedication, perseverance, and a long-term mindset. Don't give up too soon. Keep pushing forward, and you'll increase your chances of achieving sustained success in affiliate marketing. And that wraps up our video on avoiding common mistakes in affiliate marketing. By avoiding these pitfalls and implementing our tips, you'll be well on your way to building a successful affiliate marketing business. Remember, it's all about choosing the right niche, building an engaged audience, promoting quality products, tracking your performance, being transparent, and never giving up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.